What if a nation built a hidden war machine capable of launching planes from beneath the ocean? Today we're covering everything about Project 798, China's secret underwater aircraft carrier program, from how it started to why it still matters. And wait until you hear what happened during its first real test. In the early 2000s, Chinese naval strategists faced a growing challenge, maintaining strategic reach in the Pacific while avoiding detection. Admiral Zhang Xiaoming, a key architect of China's naval modernization, proposed a radical solution: a submersible aircraft carrier. The concept, first outlined in 2003, aimed to create a vessel over 800 feet long, capable of carrying up to 24 stealth drones. At the time, China was investing heavily in undersea warfare, with programs like the Type 094 nuclear submarine already in development. The urgency came from a need to project power without relying on vulnerable surface carriers, especially in contested waters like the South China Sea. But turning this idea into reality would prove far harder than anyone imagined. The first major challenge was designing a hull strong enough to withstand pressure at depths of 600 feet. Engineers at the China Shipbuilding Industry Corporation had to develop new materials and acoustic dampening systems to avoid sonar detection. Approximately $2.5 billion was invested in the program by 2010, with delays pushing the timeline back by nearly 5 years. One of the most innovative features was the pressurized launch tube, designed to deploy aircraft in under 30 seconds. Early tests in 2012 saw mixed results. One prototype failed during a simulated launch, flooding a section of the vessel. After years of development, it was finally time to prove itself. The first operational deployment of Project 798 occurred in 2015, during a joint exercise in the East China Sea. The vessel, designated Type 098, was reported to travel at a submerged speed of 20 knots, with a range of over 10,000 miles. Operators were trained in specialized launch procedures, with each drone deployment taking under 30 seconds from the pressurized tube. The Type 098 replaced older sub-launched missile systems, offering a more flexible and survivable platform for covert missions. But the real test was yet to come. In 2017, the Type 098 was deployed during a simulated conflict scenario in the Yellow Sea, testing its stealth and launch capabilities. During the exercise, the submarine launched a series of stealth drones that successfully simulated strikes on enemy radar installations. The drones, equipped with advanced sensors, provided real-time data to command centers, demonstrating the system's strategic value. However, the system's vulnerability to deep-sea sonar arrays was also exposed, prompting further upgrades to acoustic dampening systems. The enemy's countermeasures included improved sonar and satellite tracking, forcing the Type 098 to operate at greater depths. So what's the lasting impact of Project 798, China's secret underwater aircraft carrier program? The program has influenced future Chinese naval doctrine, with a focus on undersea stealth and long-range strike capabilities. The Type 098 remains in active service, with reports suggesting upgrades to its drone payload and acoustic stealth. While not widely publicized, the program has sparked interest among defense analysts and military strategists worldwide. The final verdict? Project 798 represents a bold step in naval innovation, but its true impact remains to be seen. Project 798, China's secret underwater aircraft carrier program, redefined the limits of undersea warfare. Which military subject should we deep dive next? Comment below and subscribe for more.